So many gardeners try growing onions from seed, only to end up with tiny bulbs that barely fill your hand. But this year, I finally cracked the code and pulled onions this big out of my own garden, all from seed. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can too. The first secret to big onions starts before you even touch the soil, choosing the right variety for your region. If you're in the north, look for long day onions like Ailsa Craig. In the south, go with short day onions like Texas Sweet. And if you're in between, intermediate day onions are your friend. And here's the kicker: onions need a head start. I sow seeds indoors about 10 to 12 weeks before my last frost date. If you wait too long, you're already cutting your harvest short. Onion seeds are tiny, so I sow them thickly in shallow trays filled with fine, well-draining seed-starting mix. They don't need deep pots yet, just enough room to sprout and grow their first sets of leaves. Keep them under bright light, and don't let the soil dry out. After about 3 weeks, I trim the tops to about 4 inches tall. This keeps them sturdy and encourages more root growth. Onions are heavy feeders, so your soil has to be ready before transplanting. I mix in lots of compost and a nitrogen-rich amendment like blood meal or alfalfa meal. Loose, fertile soil is key. Onions don't like to fight for space. Think of it this way: hard soil equals small bulbs. When seedlings are about the thickness of a pencil, it's time to move them outside. I space mine 4 to 6 inches apart, in rows about a foot apart. Crowding onions is one of the biggest mistakes gardeners make. Give them elbow room, and they'll reward you with big bulbs. Here's where most onions fail: they run out of fuel. Onions need steady nitrogen early on to build up strong leaves. And here's the rule: more leaves, bigger bulbs. Each leaf corresponds to a layer in the bulb. I feed them every 2 to 3 weeks with a diluted organic fertilizer until they start to bulb up. And I keep them well watered because onions are shallow-rooted and dry spells can stunt them. Once the bulbs start swelling, I switch to a fertilizer higher in potassium and phosphorus. That tells the plant stop growing leaves, start growing bulbs. At this stage, I also stop weeding aggressively, since disturbing the roots can stunt the bulbs. Don't pull onions too early. Wait until the tops flop over naturally and the necks soften. That's the plant saying, "I'm done growing." Pull them, cure them in a dry, airy space for 2 to 3 weeks, and you'll have onions that last for months. And that's it. Growing big onions from seed isn't about luck. It's about timing, feeding, and giving them the space they need. Follow these steps and you won't just grow onions, you'll grow giants. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a gardener who's still stuck with tiny onions. And tell me in the comments, what's your go-to onion variety?